Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. Getting the Van 57 error in League of Legends? Don't worry. You don't need to reinstall the entire game. Let's start with the first step. First, completely close League of Legends and Riot client. Then exit Riot Vanguard from the system tray. Now open Control Panel. Click Programs. Then click Programs and Features. Find Riot Vanguard in the list. Right-click on it. And select Uninstall. Follow the steps to completely remove Vanguard from your PC. Once Vanguard is uninstalled, open League of Legends again. Riot Client should detect that Vanguard is missing. It will then ask you to install Riot Vanguard. Install Vanguard. Once the installation is complete, restart your PC. After your PC starts again, search for Services and open it. Find VGC in the list. Right-click on it and select Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Then click Apply. Now click Start. Once the service starts, click OK and close the window. Now open League of Legends again. Check if the Van 57 error is fixed. If you're still getting the error, make sure VGC is running. Then restart your PC once more and launch League of Legends again. Hopefully this fixes the Van 57 error for you. If the problem is still there, tell me in the comments what you're experiencing. I'll try my best to help. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.